Welcome to Happy Fasting Fun. Today, let's talk about a truly fulfilling combination: fasting and sustainable seafood choices. If you're passionate about both your health and the environment, this topic is tailor-made for you. Imagine enjoying delectable seafood while contributing to the well-being of our oceans. It's a win-win. Fasting offers us a chance to be mindful about our eating habits, and when we pair it with sustainable seafood, the impact goes beyond our plate. Sustainable seafood means choosing options that are caught or farmed in ways that safeguard marine ecosystems and ensure fish populations thrive. It's a harmony of personal well-being and global responsibility. Opt for seafood certified by reputable organizations like the Marine Stewardship Council, MSC, or the Aquaculture Stewardship Council, ASC, indicating that it's sourced sustainably. Now let's dive into some fantastic choices perfect for your fasting windows. Firstly, we have the wild-caught Alaskan salmon, a nutrient-rich delight, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, with MSC certification ensuring its sustainability. Then there are sardines, packed with nutrients and reproducing rapidly, making them a sustainable choice. Mussels are both delicious and environmentally friendly, contributing to better water quality through their feeding process. Arctic char, similar to salmon, is often raised in controlled environments to prevent pollution and escapes. Pacific halibut, known for its firm white flesh, is a well-managed option originating from the Pacific. And don't forget rainbow trout, raised in freshwater farms and offering a tasty, eco-friendly alternative. Remember these tips when making sustainable seafood choices. Educate yourself about responsible practices. Support local fisheries to reduce carbon footprint, and avoid species that are overfished. By choosing sustainable seafood, you're investing in the future health of our oceans, making your fasting journey even more meaningful. So, as you fast mindfully, consider savoring these delectable, sustainable seafood choices during your eating windows. That's a wrap on this episode of Happy Fasting Fun. Stay mindful, stay sustainable, and keep enjoying your fasting journey.